Hey everyone, did you know that only about 20% of women engage in regular weight training? That's wild, right? But here's the kicker, weight training can seriously enhance your overall health and fitness levels. So let's dive into this ultimate guide on how you can start weight training and why it's so important for women. Alright, let's talk about weight training specifically for women. Many of us might think it's just for bodybuilders or those looking to bulk up, but that's not the case. Weight training is crucial in achieving your fitness goals, whether you want to tone up, build strength, or simply feel more confident in your own skin. It's all about finding what works for you and understanding the amazing benefits that come with it. Now, let's address some of the common misconceptions and barriers that can hold women back from hitting the weights. First off, many women fear that lifting weights will make them bulky. That's a huge myth. Women generally have lower testosterone levels than men, making it much harder to bulk up. Another challenge is the intimidation factor at the gym. Walking into a weight area can feel overwhelming, especially if you're surrounded by experienced lifters. But remember, everyone starts somewhere, and the gym is all about self-improvement. You've got this. So, what are the fundamentals of weight training? It's all about understanding the different types of exercises you can do, the importance of proper form, and creating a balanced routine. Start with compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, as they engage multiple muscle groups and give you the most bang for your buck. And don't forget about form. This is key to avoiding injuries and getting the most out of your workouts. Also, aim for a balanced routine that incorporates both strength training and cardio. This way, you'll build muscle while also improving your endurance. Now, let's highlight an inspirational story that really showcases the transformative power of weight training. Meet Sarah. Just a year ago, she was hesitant to step into the weights section of her gym, feeling self-conscious and unsure. But after a few weeks of building her confidence, she took the plunge. Fast forward to today, and Sarah has not only gained strength but also completely transformed her mindset. She's lost weight, gained muscle, and most importantly, she feels empowered and confident in her own body. Her story is a testament to how weight training can change your life. So, what's next? I'd love to hear about your experiences with weight training. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready to take it to the next level, don't miss my next video where we'll dive into advanced weight training techniques. Let's keep this journey going together.